best 3 ways to increase metabolism. Get rid of stubborn fat without exercise. Before we begin, what is metabolism? It's important to establish the definition of the word first so we have a clear understanding of it before we proceed. Metabolism is the conversion of food to energy that sustains the body. Primarily, this is the burning of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, the nutrients that supply us with calories, or our fuel to function. Metabolic rates can vary from one person to another, so if you have a slow metabolism, a certain amount of calories a day may be too much for you, so you gain weight faster than people who have a faster metabolism. How a person's metabolism works depends largely on genetics. You can inherit the genes that express low metabolism from your parents. In other words, your metabolic rate is like a trait that runs in your family. Metabolism also varies by age, so your metabolic rate changes throughout your life the same way body builds change through the years. Now, these are things that are beyond our control. What we can control is what we eat, and our body size is the direct result of our lifestyle choices. With that being said, here are 3 things you can do to increase your metabolism. Number 1. Eat right. To lose weight by increasing your metabolism, there are 2 aspects that work together: moving around more and eating right. But you can definitely burn fat while you sleep and eat without being too restrictive. If you eat balanced meals, your metabolism will be healthy and will work for you by burning fat rapidly even when you're not spending hours in the gym. In nutrition, it's not necessary to consume too few calories like what diet culture on social media promotes. It's all about the quality of nutrients you're getting every day. Not to mention, restrictive diets tend to leave you deficient in vitamins and minerals you need, as well as leave you starving and low in energy. And we don't want that. We want to be healthy and encourage our metabolism to work efficiently so we can get in shape. Consume just enough calories according to your activity level. For example, physically active women need around 2,000 calories per day, and physically active men need about 2,500 calories. Too many calories cause you to put on fat, and too little can lead to muscle loss. So eat balanced meals and eat comfortably, neither starving yourself or overeating. Choose the right foods too. Reach for lean proteins such as chicken breast, beans, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Consume healthy fats as well, including avocados, coconut oil, and olive oil. Eating more whole foods and less fast food is good for overall health, which in turn affects the way your metabolism works. Lastly, stick to a diet that's realistic and something you can keep long term. The key is in staying consistent. Number 2. Hydrate. Drinking liquids is probably one of the most natural things we do throughout the day, along with blinking and walking. But when it comes to caring for our body, it's also important to be mindful of this activity. Listen to your body. If you feel thirsty and that the warm weather is beating you, quench your thirst with a glass of cool water. Cool water can cause the body to produce more heat, using up more calories in the process. Plus, if you drink about half a liter of cold water, it will help keep you satiated, which makes you eat less. Having enough water in the body all the time is what powers metabolism because cells use water to function. So make it a habit to hydrate when you get thirsty. Drink more water during sunny days, and carry a water bottle with you so you can take a sip every hour. Add soups and broths into your meals to provide additional hydration. Have fruits for dessert and switch out soda with water as your drink after meals. Before we move on to the last item on our list, if you're enjoying this video so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos, click the bell icon for notifications every time we upload a video. Number 3. Boost your AMPK. First, let's find out what AMPK means. In the simplest explanation, AMPK is an activated protein found in many cells of the body, including muscle, fat, and liver cells. This protein is responsible for burning sugar and fat to supply cells with energy. One reason why our metabolism tends to decline with age is because of a decreased AMPK activity. And experts have found out that keeping this protein active as we age can have beneficial effects, such as improved metabolism and fat loss. It has been found that food rich in antioxidants may help activate AMPK in the body. These include vegetables, berries, coffee, tea, as well as spices like turmeric and cinnamon. There's a supplement that aims to nourish and activate your AMPK. This supplement, called CarboFix, also helps your body make use of carbohydrates for energy, preventing it from turning into body fat and thus weight gain. Taking CarboFix regularly and consistently can help your metabolism stay strong as you age, preventing serious health issues such as diabetes and obesity. Use the link in the description below to learn more about this supplement and the fascinating story of its discovery in Ecuador. You just learned about the 3 things that help increase your metabolism. Want to know other tricks that will help you lose weight and be healthier? Check out our channel, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified once we have a new video. Thank you for watching!